Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. Today I'm going to show you how to create this intense black smoky eye look. I'm a huge fan of smoky eye looks, mostly the intense black smoky eye look. If you are also so much interested in this kind of look, then please keep on watching. For today I'm gonna be using this FS29 by Kryolan as my eye base. Now I'm blending it out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. Now I'm setting my base with a loose powder. And I'm just pressing that powder. Now I'm gonna use this Lakme Iconic Kajal. And I'm applying it on all over my lid, and it doesn't need to be perfect. And now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm smudging this edge. When you are doing a smoky eye, black smoky eye mainly, there has a lots of way to do, but this way is actually works for me, so I do it like this. Now I'm going to use this Morphe 25B eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna grab a dark brown shade from here on my Morphe brush, and I'm just going to blend that on the edges over here. I'm going to take black eyeshadow from this Fantasy eyeshadow palette. How intense this black smoky eye is. Now again I'm going to grab this black kajal and I'm going to apply that on my low waterline. Now again I'm using this brush and taking some black eyeshadow on it and just going to blend here. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just diffusing the edges without taking any shade. And now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Radiant Highlighter palette to highlight my inner corner, and I'm grabbing this first shade. I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner. And with the same highlighter, I'm highlighting my eyebrow bone also. So my this eye is completely done. Now I'm going to quickly complete my this eye and gonna finish my face makeup, and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. I try to style my hair Generally I do not do anything on my hair because I have so much hair fall issues and I have very thin hair. I do not give any heat on my hair, like I do not do ironing, I do not do curling or any styling, whatever it is, I do not disturb them. I just leave them as they are and just hoping that someday they will understand that I love them so much and they will come back to my head again and I can do some hairstyling also. Okay, let's just move on from my hair to my eyes and the whole look which I have done. Please let me know, do you like this look or not, in the description box below. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will be updated whenever I upload. And I am also on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to see some crazy eye makeup looks, follow me on Instagram. If you want to see my bridal walks, then follow me on my Facebook page. Links are going to be on the description box below. And here I'm gonna share some of my previous walks. You may like to watch this also. And that's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video also. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.